I want us to look at how to make newcomer students feel most welcome in schools. This is your presenter, Professor Kibet of Chalan Education. Making newcomer students feel welcome in schools is essential to help them adjust to a new environment and feel comfortable in their learning space. These actions help newcomer students feel accepted, valued, and supported, ensuring they thrive both academically and socially in the new school environment. In this video, I'll give you some effective strategies to achieve that. And these strategies include the following. 1. Warm welcome on the first day. That is to say, pair the newcomer with a peer buddy who can guide them around the school, introduce them to classmates, and be a source of immediate support. Personalized introduction. The teacher can give a personal introduction to the student, recognizing them in front of the class and giving classmates the opportunity to introduce themselves. Number 2, create a welcoming environment. That is to say, it can be done in the following ways. Cultural sensitivity. Celebrate the diversity the newcomer brings, recognizing their cultural background. This could include acknowledging festivals or aspects of their culture. Language support. Provide resources like translated materials, bilingual books, or language buddies if the student is an English language learner. Space for adjustment. Provide a comfortable space where they can retreat during breaks if they feel overwhelmed or need some quiet time. Number 3, social integration. This can be done through the following: inclusive activities. Organize group activities and projects that require teamwork, allowing the new students to interact with others with a non-pressured setting. After-school clubs. Encourage participation in extracurricular activities such as sports, arts, or academic clubs to help the student connect with others who share similar interests. Encourage friendships. Teachers can foster connections by setting them with kind, empathic students who will help them integrate more easily. And number 4, supportive communication. This can be done through the following: regular check-ins. Teachers should have regular one-on-one checks with the students to understand their feelings and provide support as they adjust. And parents' engagement. Stay in touch with the student's family to ensure they are informed, involved, and able to provide feedback about their child's experience. Number 5, understanding and empathy. This can be done through staff training. Ensure teachers and staff are trained to understand the specific challenges newcomer students face, especially if they are from a different cultural or linguistic background. Address concerns openly. Create an environment where students can ask questions and seek help without fear of judgment. And lastly, celebrate progress. Acknowledge milestones. Celebrate small achievements or milestones that the students make, such as adapting to a new system or overcoming language barriers to build their confidence. So this marks the end of this presentation, where I have taken time to take you through on how to make newcomer students feel most welcome in our schools. Thank you.